How to manage Google privacy and security settings. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. So first things first, open up your Google Chrome and then beside your profile icon, you'll see 9 dots, tap on it and then go to your account. There, go to security. Once you're there, tap on Review Security Tips. Google always makes sure to give you tips on how to maintain your account. So you can review your security tips and make sure that your safe browsing is turned on. There are a list of things that you need to check. First, check what devices that you are signed in. And if you find some unfamiliar devices, you can just remove access of those devices. Also, make sure to check that you have not given third-party access to apps that you not use. Just go to your third-party apps and then remove access. Also, make sure that your two-step verification is turned on and also check any recent security activity and if there is any unfamiliar login from your device. And also make sure to check your saved passwords so that other people cannot hack into your passwords. And that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.